How to check order history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to track and manage the Facebook orders by checking the order history on Facebook. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Facebook application on your device. Log into the particular account and select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. You will land on this menu section where you have to scroll all the way down and select Settings and Privacy. From this list of the options, select Orders and Payment. Now you will enter on this Orders and Payment section where at the top you will see all your recent activities. Since I don't have any history for the order, so that's why there is no any such recent activities. But if you have any, you will see all your order histories on Facebook, including any pendings or completed activity. So when you stop, donate, or transfer money, that activity will appear here. You can also check your cart by tapping on the cart icon at top right corner of the screen, and your added items will be shown on this section. So that's how we can easily check our order history on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.